Jai Bhim Lal Salam. My name is K. Gopika Babu and I'm contesting for the post of Vice President in the Left Unity panel. I come from DU and now I'm doing my PhD in Law and Governance. In DU, you can see the situation. Every year, the fee has been hiked, and because of NEP and FYUP, the dropout rates of students are on an increase. You can see that in the name of multiple exit options. What is happening in Delhi University is that every year, students, especially female students, and people from the marginalized communities are dropping out from their courses, and the government is justifying this in the name of multiple exit options that are coming under FYUP. The situation in JNU is not far from that. Under FYUP, when the students of SL are studying, the university refuses to give even a single ordinance that regulates the promotion of students studying under FYUP. Country over, you can see that RSS is in an attempt to saffronize education. RSS March has been happening in all of the major central universities in an attempt to saffronize the campus spaces. Within JNU, if you look at the activities of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, every GBM they have gone and done violence. Every GBM they have gone and raised casteist, Islamophobic and misogynistic comments. These tendencies of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, when their report card has been given to RSS, that number of instances where they have been involved in violence, when they have gone to gatherings and spoke misogynistic, feudalistic and Manuvadi ideologies, that then becomes their report card to get seat in the central panel. When students will come out to vote on the 4th of November, let there be a victory of the student community of JNU, let there be a victory of JNU, so that the slogans of gender justice and social justice that JNU is known for remains intact in this campus. With that, I appeal the student community of JNU to join in large numbers in the Mashal Julus of the Left Unity panel. It will start from Barak Hostel and go till Ganga Daba. It will start at 9 p.m. Do join in large numbers. Inqilab Zindabad. Jai Bhim. Lal Salam.